In this video, I will show you how to block a Facebook page. This way you can stop page posts and updates from appearing in your feed. This is a quick and easy way to keep unwanted content out of sight. First, open Facebook app on your mobile. Now find the page by running a search for it in the search bar. You can filter the results by the pages if needed. Once you find the page, tap to open it. Now tap three dots at the right side next to messages. From the options, tap block. You will get a confirmation to block the page. Just tap block to confirm. When you block a page, it will not be able to see your post, tag your page, invite your page to the events or message your page. And if this page follows your page, then it will be removed as a follower. So that is how you can block a Facebook page. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.